Why is nobody talking about a man named Oji Ukwu by the Igbos? This is a story of an Igbo hustler, Joseph Chukwuka Olasi, hailed from Nnewi in Anambra State. Born in 1890 and died in 1944, he was nicknamed Oji Ukwu because of his strong hustling spirit. As a young boy, he was very determined to make it in life, of which he eventually did and became one of the biggest successful transporters from Southeast. He always traveled from Nnewi in Anambra State to Aba in Abia State on foot. In the mid-1920s, in search of good fortune, at Aba he traded in textiles and gradually building a solid asset base by setting up roadside stores around popular Aba roads. He would recruit apprentices at one stage till he got up to 60 of them. By 1933, he had built up a fleet of 6 lorries, which he deployed into a road haulage business. This earned him a mail delivery contract for the eastern region. He made a lot of money from mail delivery contracts, which helped him to buy more lorries from 6 to 14. As at 1935, the name of his transport company is J.C. Olasi Motors, a household name in the 1930s. He became a warrant chief in Aba and died in June 1944. His kinsman Louis Odumegwu Ojukwu was to succeed him as the king of road haulage business by the formation of his legendary Ojukwu Transport Company in 1937. Chief J.C. Olasi's tremendous success in the transportation business also inspired his cousin, late Chief Ejikeme Ilodibe of Ekele Dilichukwu Motors, to emerge as a transport magnate. J.C. Olasi died as a very wealthy Igbo transporter. He was the first Nigerian to venture into transportation business, and it played out very well for him. This made other people venture into the business. Now you have known the story behind the popular nomenclature Oji Ukwu. Tell me in the comment section if you are surprised to know the story behind this nomenclature.